Today we're going over and I'm going to share with you 20 of my favorite deals from Amazon Big Spring Sale. They are my favorite 20 that I have in my house that I use all of the time, but our Amazon storefront is full with the sale. We have everything broken down into categories, so make sure to head to our Amazon storefront to shop all of our deals. We have kid deals, electronic deals, home, fashion, beauty, Merrick, what other ones we have? We have so many other ones on our Amazon storefront. We update it every single day, all day, to make sure that the deals are perfect. And so we're gonna get into it with my vibrating plate. I think this is one of the most popular things right now. This is not just like a fad thing for me. We love this around our house. My husband gets on it, I get on it, and my kids too. So what we love it for is we use it for lymphatic drainage. It's great to get your lymphatic system moving. It's great also, like when we went on a trip last week, we all came back and got on this. I feel like eating bad all week. We were like really puffy, and this like really helped to get things moving again. But it's also really great for kids. Physical therapists use it for kids who are delayed in sensory, and so it's really beneficial for kids. I have ladies on my Instagram stories always messaging in saying that so many ladies have said it's helped their fibromyalgia, that it's helped their knee pain or their hip pain. So it does so much for you. We love it. We set it right here in the kitchen, and then we just like hop on it all of the time. This is my favorite vacuum. Do not get the $700 version vacuum that everybody is getting. I'm not gonna name the brand, but you guys know which one it is. But it is okay, so it's Bissell. And what I love about it is one, it stands on its own. The $700 one does not do this, okay? Also, it's easy because you can hook it up to the wall for a wall mount. It comes with a wall mount, or you can just plug it in. This is what I do. I put it in the corner of my laundry room and just plug it in. It doesn't have to be like a big setup like the other one. And then this is what I love is, first off, it's under $200, okay? But the materials, it's so smooth. Like when you can tell the difference between an expensive and an inexpensive vacuum. This is an inexpensive vacuum, but you would never know. And the coolest thing is it has lights. And what I love about the lights is your floors look completely clean. We have light colored floors, so I feel like it covers up our dog hair, who has hair that's like almost the color of our floors, and then also mine. But the floors look clean until you put that light on there and you can tell exactly where things need to be cleaned. It's amazing. And then the attachment that comes with it too has the LED lights on it as well. So when you're cleaning your upholstery, your couches, you can see so much with the light. Also comes with another attachment as well, but I've been using this vacuum for over a year and I'll never go back. I love it. It's so amazing. And then obviously the Tineco, this is the time to get these. They're expensive. They are, it's a wet dry vac, so it vacuums and mops your floor at the same time. We have real hardwood floors. We have real marble floors here in the back, but I've also used it for, like on linoleum, like, well, not linoleum, but what's called like engineered laminate flooring. We've had laminate. We've used it on all types of floorings because we've been living in a few houses recently, and it's amazing. And what makes it safe for your floor is it picks up all of the water. So you're not just pushing around the dirt when you're using just like a regular mop. You're actually like, it's getting up into the canister here and actually getting your floors clean, not just pushing it around. So love the Tineco. It is 35% off, so it's amazing deal right now. The sales are always the time to get the Tineco. Okay, and then this bag, 30% off. I love this bag. First off, it comes in several different colors, and if you're not like a bow person, it comes without the bow too, but they have colors like pink and white, and then I love the purple one. It's like iridescent. It's like, reminds me of like a mermaid. But I love this bag because it's so versatile. It's absolutely huge. There's stuff in there because I do actually use this bag, but it has like sequins in there for like a party. I guess I was carrying things in for, but I love it because as we're coming in on baseball season, I'm a baseball mom. I've got 2 boys and they play on different teams. And so we are having to split up on the weekends sometimes. So I need my own bag, and this is my bag. I love it. It holds so much, but also they're great for beach bags because they can hold everything you need in here, and they're so cute. I love these bags. So on a great deal. Now is the time to grab it. But I wanted to also share these tulips with y'all. If you've been following the Broadmoor house for a while, you know these tulips, we share them so much. And I have been using these for, gosh, like 4 or 5 years on Instagram. We have them in white. They are in pink. I have them linked in pink, but if you click on the link, it'll take you to the white ones. But they're $16.99 right now. It's such a good deal. I love these. They look real. When I first got them, I put them on the dining room table and my husband thought they were real. So I love that. You don't have to worry about them dying. They're great for like a bathroom where it's not sitting out on your kitchen counter and you're not remembering, oh my gosh, the flowers don't look great or they need new water. So they're beautiful and the pink is so pretty. Okay, I wanted to go over a few of my favorite beauty items. I am wearing the Color Science Flex today. I love this foundation. First off, it's a 50 SPF and it is under $50. A little goes a long way with this one. If you look at it, it comes out white. And then as you rub it in, it turns into the best coverage foundation. I need a full coverage foundation, but I also want it to look very natural, and this really gets you there. I actually heard about this from my esthetician. She uses this and her skin looks incredible, and I decided to try it for myself. So when I used it for the first time last week in Mexico, I had so many ladies message me saying that they have been using this exclusively for years. Everybody is obsessed with this. I'm obviously new to the party, but Color Science is amazing right now. They have so many great products. I love their sunscreen, and the Flex is so good. Okay, also, if you've been following the Broadmoor house for a while, you know the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara is my favorite. I got rid of my eyelash extensions, got my eyelashes healthy, and I don't even need extensions anymore because this mascara is so good. It lengthens and it thickens, so it looks almost like you have fake lashes on. Like I don't say, I need fake lashes. Like I just love it. I, as an influencer, a beauty influencer, I get so many mascaras and I always have high hopes and I put it on. I'm like, nope, nope, no. But it's 30% off. It's under $20 and it's incredible. I love it. It's stock up time when these sales come around. I stock up personally because I can't be without it. But people always say you need glycolic acid for your face, right? For anti-aging, to make sure that your skin is like exfoliated. But why don't we like normalize using it for our bodies? So this Cyclar, number one, this brand is so viral right now because their products are amazing. But this is a glycolic acid body spray. You spray it on, let it soak in for a few minutes, and then you put your lotion over the top. It is under $30. I love this. This is really going to help with anti-aging, making sure that your skin stays exfoliated. I put it on before bed, and then I put on either the Cyclar Vitamin C oil or I use the Rich Body Cream. I like to go back and forth just to kind of get different benefits from both of them, but I love the Naked Neroli, but my favorite scent is the Bergamot. It's so good. I have it in the body wash too, but now's the time to get it because it's on sale. This brand is absolutely TikTok viral. That's how we decided to get it. We saw it was going crazy on TikTok and we thought, okay, we need to try it, but I love that line. Okay, this next one is so good too. It's the Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater. It says it works like magic. This is not false advertising, y'all. When I showed Mitchell's videoing us right now, and he's got this cute little girl at home, and when I showed him this, we both said, she needs this, okay? So I'm going to show y'all a little experiment. So I have some raspberries. I'm just going to put it on the shirt. I'm gonna show y'all how good it works. It's crazy. So when you get the stain on the shirt, I will get a paper towel and just kind of wipe off the chunks. And then watch the magic unfold. When you spray it, it literally disappears. Look, it's gone in a second. I am obsessed with this spray. My son actually got avocado on his shirt while he was in Mexico last week, like right here on his brand new white polo, of course, right? And when I sprayed it, when I got home, a week later, A week later, it immediately dissolved. I threw it in the washer and it was gone. So such a great price on it right now. It's a great time to get it. And you can even get like travel ones so you can put it in your bag. And so if you're at a restaurant, you can use it. So I love this brand. It really does work like magic. Okay, so we have a few kitchen items that I wanted to share with y'all. First off is this refrigerator deodorizer. This has been one of our best sellers of all time over the past couple of years. The great thing about it is, one, it's 20% off today, but this deodorizer is going to last you 10 years. You do not have to replace it you do nothing to it for 10 years. So it just sits in your refrigerator. It looks great too, right? It looks nice and high end, has the stainless steel. It really works. And it lasts 10 years. So it's been such a great seller for us. I love it, and I love that it's included into the sale. Okay, I don't love a lot of kitchen gadgets. I feel like my drawers just get full. I never use them because I keep it simple. But these are a few kitchen gadgets that I love to use because they are worth it. First off, this is like it's like under $12 right now. Okay, so it's really inexpensive, but this is like a little cutting board and then your blade here, and you can put the vegetable in and you can chop things so fast with this. You can chop herbs, you can chop vegetables, fruits, you can cut anything with this. This thing is amazing. It has been one of my best sellers over the past couple of years as well. Definitely one of those kitchen gadgets that saves you time and dishes because you don't have to have the big cutting board. It's just all in one, and then just throw it in the dishwasher. Okay. The jar opener is under $8 right now. Also another bestseller. We love it because apparently my arms and hands are very weak. I don't know, something about jars, I cannot open them. But this is like my saving grace. I use it all the time. It has different sizes for different types of jars, but this is also really great to gift for a parent or a grandparent, somebody who has a hard time opening up, someone with arthritis. These help so much. A super handy tool, and it's always been a bestseller for us. Okay. These stainless steel cutting boards, have y'all seen? These have been crazy, how popular they've been. I've definitely jumped on board. They are non-toxic. You can get a set of 2 for under $26 right now. I love them. You can tell I use them all of the time. You can see the marks all over it. It's like my go-to cutting board. Goes in your dishwasher beautifully as well. So these stainless steel cutting boards, if yours are getting a little bit not so good, or they're plastic, you can upgrade to the stainless steel ones for a really good price. Okay, also, I'm in the kitchen all of the time, and I need things that make me feel happy. And these make me feel happy. Like, don't they make you feel happy too? They're so fun, they're so summery. They just make me smile when I see them. And I love having things around my house that make me smile and bring joy to our house. They're 40% off. They're $14. They're Kate Spade. They're so cute. I think this is one of the best deals of the sale. Also, really great for gifts. Stock up for gifts. I just think they're so cute. I love it. And then, okay, these jeans, y'all, they've been one of our best sellers, and honestly, they're really hard to get. Sometimes Merrick, are they not most of the time sold out? I have these jeans in 3 different colors. The jeans that I have on right now, these are from Mother. These are the designer version. This is the style that these Levi's are. You have the tighter top, the high waist, and then the baggy loose bottom. It is the top trend in jeans right now, and this is the look for less version. I love them. I have them in, like I said, the black, white, and the jean color. I would definitely size up. So I size up 1 size in the black and the white, and then I was going to wear the jean color ones today, but they are too small. So the jean color, the blue, run, I think 2 sizes too small. So I need to get 2 sizes bigger for them to fit. But they're viral. Y'all, anytime they're available, people go crazy over them, and very well worth it. They are beautiful. I also love that the fabric is super thick. These are not see-through jeans. You're not seeing through these at all. They're really great, especially for the summer. You can wear a cute little top and then the white jeans. I love that. Okay. And did I say they were $37? Okay, I did not say they were $37. $37. Usually they're like, if they ever go on sale, I think the lowest I've seen them, what do you think, Merrick? The lowest we've seen them on sale is like 50? 50. So 37, y'all, it's crazy. So Levi's, just note, they do run big, small. They run small, okay. And then Pura, we love Pura at our house. I've been using them for several years. I just got a new one. This is the Pura 4, and they work so great because they work like a candle, okay? Let me give you a little bit of inside information about the Pura. I think the biggest complaint that some people have is they say they don't last long. They actually do last long. You have to know how to use them. So the way that they work is, you think about them like a candle. And what's neat is it has an app. You can schedule it. So if you wanted to schedule for the fragrance to come out when you're getting everybody ready for school in the morning, you can schedule that. And then it automatically turns off when everybody leaves for work. And then if you know you're going to be home on Monday evenings and that's kind of like your night to cook, you have it turn on again. So you think about it like a candle. You don't just plug it in and let it run all day long, because it will run out really quickly. But I will say, we have used these for years, and I do believe that they do last a long time when you actually use them only when you need them, and it's 20% off. I love that Pura is on Amazon for the big spring sale. It's amazing. I think my favorite scent is the Love Potion. It's so good, but you really can't go wrong with any of them, and it's a really great deal. Okay, another deal that I love is the Mattress Vacuum. It is 36% off. This is, I didn't jump on this when I first saw these because I thought, why would I need one of these when I could just use my vacuum, right? Like, why do we need a special vacuum for your mattress? Well, the reason why is these are especially this one, especially designed to, it has these vibrations that when it's turned on, it's designed to loosen up everything in your mattress and be able to soak it up. You can see like, it's full of really, really, really fine particles. And you really want to use one of these to extend the life of your mattress. They really work. This one also is neat because it has lights at the bottom, which also help to kill bacteria, to disinfect when you use this. So it's amazing. It has a light as well. You guys know I love a good light on my vacuum so you can really see things, but this one's well worth it. And it's on a great deal today. Okay, also, these Bissell little mini green machines. Do you guys remember when these green machines came out and they were like this big? And you had to carry this thing all over. This has just as much power. I have tested it. They work the same. It's just compact. It's so much easier to carry around. It's honestly like half the size, I feel like. The other one is like this big. So if you have the big original one, maybe time to level up. Get this one 20% off right now. A really good deal. These work great. I've done extensive testing on Bissell compared to some of the other brands. I actually, at one point, thought I liked one better than the Bissell, but what I realized is these bristles on this, they really do work well, but they don't destroy your fabric. So when I thought that I found another one that I loved more, I realized it was actually destroying my fabrics, and this one always kept my fabrics safe. So I really love that they work so well. They clean up all kinds of messes. Okay, I've used, this is actually a new one, so you're not seeing what mine actually looks like in the laundry room, but it's a mess. You don't realize you need one until the moment you need one. You think, I really wish I had one of those. So great for rugs, carpets, upholstery. So, and then even like the floor, like the hardwood floor. We had an accident like a couple months ago on rug, floor. It cleaned everything up. It was amazing. So highly recommend. Love the new little mini size. So if y'all are just joining me in on my live, you can scroll back through and shop all of the items, or you can go back into our live and watch the whole thing from the beginning. But I'm so glad that y'all are here. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to go to our Amazon storefront and shop. This big sale is on our storefront all over. We've divided everything up into categories. So we have categories like things that we didn't even cover here, like kids categories, electronics, beauty, our top favorites like in my house that I use regularly, which are a lot of these here. But you can check out our storefront. We update it every single day. We also blow up our Instagram stories, our feed with all of the deals of the sales. So I hope y'all are having a great day. I hope you found something that you loved. If you have any questions, let me know and I'd love to answer.